Nourishing the Inner Self meditation. Today we'll focus on filling our inner cup with warmth, compassion, and care, restoring energy and bringing a deep sense of self-nourishment. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, and close your eyes if that feels good to you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to settle into this moment, letting go of any stress or tension. Take a moment to feel the surface beneath you, fully supporting and holding you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, connected, and present. As you breathe in, imagine sending a gentle wave of softness, of ease, of relaxation to those areas, inviting in comfort. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest at your heart space, and visualize a soft, warm light beginning to glow there. This light represents self-compassion, care, and nurturing energy. As you breathe, imagine this light growing brighter and warmer, filling your chest with comfort and calm. Feel this warmth as a gentle reminder to care for yourself, to be gentle with yourself. With each inhale, allow this warm, nourishing light to spread further, reaching into your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands. Feel it spreading through your abdomen, bringing relaxation and a sense of fullness. Let it travel down your legs and into your feet, grounding you with a sense of inner stability and care. This light fills your entire body, restoring and recharging every part of you. Now imagine that this warmth is filling an inner cup within you, your own source of energy, vitality, and joy. See this cup filling up with the light, feeling more full with each breath. If there are any areas within that feel depleted, allow this nourishing energy to fill them completely, restoring balance and vitality. Know that you deserve this nourishment and that this self-care replenishes your ability to show up fully in life. Take a few breaths to simply rest in this feeling of fullness and nourishment. Silently affirm to yourself, I am worthy of care and compassion. I am worthy of care and compassion. And let this affirmation settle deeply into your heart, knowing that taking time for self-care and nourishment supports your well-being in every way. Feel yourself becoming more centered, balanced, and recharged. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath and to the room around you. Bring movement to the fingers and toes, reconnecting with the present moment. Know that you can return to this sense of nourishment anytime you need it. Slowly open your eyes, carrying this feeling of warmth and fullness with you.